We don't get another message again. Oh, this one now, a person will talk say, TB Joshua appeared to them inside dream. The way TB Joshua they appear to people nowadays, I know they understand. Everybody don't turn to overseer. They don't they see things. In fact, the kind of miracle people they see now, I know they understand. This Mr. Destiny don't come as I talk say, as TB Joshua come to them, in tell them say, make people no worry. Say in fact, say in they okay, make people no cry. Now they hear. TB Joshua don't come as I talk say, ain't they okay for where in they? And say make people love themselves. Make they day united. And importantly, make they continue from where he stop. Make they no let him ministry die. The guy can say, shoot, him go even shock say, how come among everybody waiting for the whole Nigeria? Now him TB Joshua can't appear to. But as we hear him, the guy talk say, nah him. And God done TB Joshua don't tell him this message say, make him tell everybody, you say make him continue from where he stop and make him they show love to yourself. My people, I beg, make him follow me. Watch this video.
TB Joshua appeared to me in my dream. We are in a crowd of people, like we want to go and bury someone. I hear a voice. The voice now said, my son. And I look at my back. I saw a TB Joshua, Prophet TB Joshua, the great man of God. He now appeared to me. He said, my son, tell my people not to cry. Tell my people they should love themselves. Tell my people to unite. Tell them to love themselves. The important thing, tell them to continue for where I stop. I say, tell them that I'm with my father. I'm happy with my father. Tell them not to cry. Tell them to love themselves. Tell them to unite. Tell them to continue for where I stop. He said, look at me. I really look at him. He's dancing with, he said, I'm dancing with my father in shaky bodies like this. He just show a half picture to me. This guy come close to me. This sky come close to the ground. If I jump up, I can see the sky. I can touch the sky. TB Joshua is inside the sky. He's dancing. He say, I'm dancing with my father. I really look at TB Joshua very well. I see white ink is sitting TB Joshua back. The thing they look like angel. They are shaky body the way TB Joshua shaky body. On my way going little road, I walk on a little road. I see the angel block the road. The angel block the road, and I bring out my knife. I bring out my knife. I say, if you come close to me, I will kill you. I say, I will kill you. The angel block my way. Say, I can't pass here. I say, I will pass. If you come close to me, I will kill you. The moment I say I will kill the angel, I now wake up. I pray to God. I say, God, why? What is this? Please, I'm passing through temptation since June 18. I'm be passing through temptation. Please, TB Joshua, I beg you in the name of God. I'm on my knee. Please. If I offended you, please forgive me. God, have mercy on me. I will deliver the message now, please.
On I hear where this boy they talk say TB Joshua they shaking boy. In fact, this guy pidgin I been in English, he they even shake me. Say now see where this guy they shake TB Joshua they shake him body. Say in fact, ain't they okay for where in the and in they even follow angels they dance for heaven. The one wey come surprise me now say TB Joshua they always disturb him inside in dream. Say always now abego. Now you okay TB Joshua? Because this one now where when they talk this matter like say you and TB Joshua get beef, I no can understand. The one way surprise me, in can say for the dream, one of the dream, angel spit on top, angel gather spit on top of person. Since when angel thought to molester, I don't know say now angel don't they molest people inside dream. Because if now so angels they do, I should say everybody will run from angel. This one where angel go just dey say you won't control spit for your body. Oh God, beg, what you do? Because this one where they beg say, may they help you beg TB Joshua. You not do anything. You talk say this man send you message. And say the person where they try send this message to, the person no answer you. So in fact, this one where they talk say and TB Joshua disturb, I no see the reason. I no even see the essence because you try to do your own part. Now the pastor I no grant you access. And they may not even grant you access because oh God, beg, look yourself. You wear earring. They go think say maybe you won't come scam them. We know say God fit use anybody follow and talk, but this kind matter, e be like say dem those people sef dey fear. They come dey think and say maybe this kind thing na fake, abi na joke. Because we know say now in fact, the numbers of vision wey people don see inside this Nigeria because of this TB Joshua matter, e even reach kill TB Joshua again. If him come back, the way people dey always talk, you go hear this one, TB Joshua tell am say this one. As just now wetin make people dey reason, dey fear. In fact, to come end this man's story, him come say in fact, the last dream wey him dream, angel dey block him road. Before him go see, Oga don bring her, Oga don try Yoruba style, don bring her knife. Say you wan kill angel? Angel wey be spirit. Now you wan come kill. See this one na mortal combat. Mortal combat inside dream na dey happen so. Because I wan take kill person, you be human. Angel na spirit, I wan take kill am. Hey, e be like say this guy, something dey go on. Because I know that part where they talk say you carry knife one, e be like say another matter don dey there. Because if you know high, I no sure say you go dey reason this kind thing. Wey be say angel go come near, at least if dem dey block road, tell am say comot for road make I pass. Who just come be the knife wey go carry am say you wan come stab am? Inside dream, you even carry your agbero enter, carry your attitude enter inside dream. Say you wan go kill person. Hey, my wife. In fact, I dey shock for this kind matter. I sure say Igbo dey involved for this whole thing wey dey happen. But true, if God call you, abeg people, him just make una dey beg, him don beg una. Make una link am, make una share the video so that people sef go see am. The thing wey the message wey dey try talk, make people hear am. Maybe the right source of people wey need to hear this thing, they never hear am. Na make am still come outside. This guy serious o. For person to dey cry on top this matter, e mean say the thing dey really molest, the thing dey even torture am. Now make am gather that strength, say make him come talk this one. My people, I hear this one. I want to make I bring am come on aside. Make una sef use na hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey una fear about this whole matter wey I just yarn like this, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video so that everybody sef go see wetin we dey yarn about. I go see una for the next video.